Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Blanca here with Creativities Galore. Today we will be making this Harry Potter sign. We will start off in Cricut Design Space by choosing glasses and then the lightning bolt, and we will now attach them. Make sure to attach or else they will cut out separate. Next, I resize it to the size I need. Go to make it. I am using the Cricut Joy, so I had to choose on matte because I'm using everyday iron-on instead of the smart iron-on. So I gotta go to browse all materials, choose the one I am using, and then we will continue. Now I add my everyday iron-on shiny side down, and make sure to mirror your image as well. I use a brayer to flatten it out, and now just load it to the Cricut Joy and let it do its thing. Next, I take my 6x8 stretch canvas out of its packaging. I got mine at Dollar Tree, but if you can't find it there, Amazon has them as well. I will link them down below in the description, as well as with links to the other stuff I'm using in this video. Next, I do sand my frame down a little bit because it can be kind of rough, and I don't like how that feels. And then next, I will be painting my frame. I'm just using plain black acrylic paint. Did 2 coats of it. It was just what it needed. Next, I remove my design from the mat and I go on my phone to check out the Easy Press 2 Cricut guide. I choose the settings I need, and it tells me the temperature and time that I need to press down my design. So while I'm weeding out my design, my Cricut Easy Press 2 is heating up in the background. Now I am trimming off the edges of the canvas. I'm just following the score lines. Now to attach my design to the canvas. I do pass my Easy Press over the canvas just for a couple seconds to warm it up. And then I set my design down. I just eyeballed it. You can be more precise about it, but for me, I was fine just eyeballing it. Now I just use my Easy Press 2 to attach the design to it. Now you do have to wait for it to cool down. It doesn't show here in the video, but you do wait for it to cool down and then you peel off the carrier sheet. Now to attach it back to the frame, I'm just using plain hot glue. I do sections at a time so that the hot glue doesn't dry. Then if I need any little pieces like I do here in this top corner, I just go back and add some hot glue, and that's it. There we have it, a cute Harry Potter sign, perfect for any Harry Potter fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy crafting!